In this example, I have cosine x divided by 1 plus sine x minus 1 minus sine x divided by cosine x equals to 0. So the first thing I need to do, I need to have common denominator, which is cosine x times 1 plus sine x. Then I have to multiply these two, cosine squared x minus 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x. When you multiply these two together. Then I can write the same thing, cosine squared minus, here we have difference of variable, the difference of squares, a plus b, we had it before many times, times a minus b is going to be equal to a squared minus b squared. That's the difference of squares. So it's going to be 1 squared, which is going to be the same 1 minus sine squared x divided by cosine x times 1 plus sine x. So we will have cosine squared x minus 1 plus sine squared x, cosine x 1 plus sine x. So sine squared plus cosine squared is going to be 1 minus 1 divided by cosine x plus 1 plus sine x. Numerator is 0, so the whole answer is going to be 0 as well.